Will this work? Hopefully it will work. Did people join? Who joined?
No,
okay.
I have to go. I'm gonna be right back.
Okay then, Donna left. Mad baby. Why does this? I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? I'm stuck. I can't move. How?
Where are you?
I'm stuck. That's where I am.
Oh, I can see you. You're right here. Oh!
Dude, oh my god! That was insane aim.
Oh crap. Hold on. I'm gonna be a knife!
Yeah, cause it's you. It's you, it's Bubbles.
Watch out! I'm gonna lock myself in the room.
I'm just running in the night. Okay, I'm not gonna sing. I'm. No! We're Slenderman. You guys are Slenderman. Don't wait.
Wait, look behind you.
Wait, that's you? I thought
Yeah,
that's
look.
Tails.
Hey, let me drop something. That will help us.
Good.
No.
Could you type in chat? Donna, can you type in chat?
Why?
Just type in chat. I want to tell you something.
No, just do /W and then I see one! One of them behind the wall. I see them. You stupid. It's as.
No!
He's getting punished. Wait, lead the way with your flashlight.
Drop me! I said drop. Yusuf, drop me.
Okay, I'll drop him.
He's called Donut.
Hey everyone, it's me Donut, as known as the hard-working, suffering, idea-making, editor, but I have a huge announcement. Me and Caddy are making a Discord server. Yep, that's right, a Discord server. If you don't know what Discord is, it's basically a chat platform for gamers and stuff, but it doesn't have to be just about games, it can be pretty much anything. So make an account and join our Discord. The Discord link will be in the description below.